It's to go inside, right?
I am not sure.
Let me look.
Not.
You are guide?
Yes.
Why you are very silent? Hello, Belgium, Holland.
Slaves. It was made in Guangxi. A moment ago, we were just talking about the.
By the way, this is my friend from Belgium. We met here. There was a man. Nice. Hello.
Dear followers, in this video, want to give you some information about Daxu Ancient Town. I hope this video and information will be useful for you. Daxu Ancient Town lies about 18 kilometers southeast of Guilin, on the east bank of the Li River, founded in AD 200. It boasts over 1,800 years of history and was once one of Guangxi's 4 major towns alongside Luxu in Binyang, Wanshou in Kangwu, and Chaox in Guixian. Its name means large-scale fair, reflecting its past as a prosperous trade hub from the Song Dynasty through the Ming and Qing periods, when merchants from north and south gathered and built guild halls. The town's strategic position on a waterway connecting the Yangtze and Pearl River systems drove its growth, but commerce declined in the 1930s with the rise of railways and highways. Today, it has revived as a tourist spot. The ancient town still features old streets paved with dark green bluestone slabs 2.3 kilometers long and 2 meters wide, worn smooth by shoes, carts, and rain. Overhead, arcades and wooden pavements line the way. Most buildings are 2-story residences from the Ming and Qing dynasties, with a sensible layout low in the south, high in the north that combines business and living spaces. Those facing the street have stairs leading to second-floor shops. Among the well-preserved relics are Wanshou Bridge, Taipingmen, Yangtze Gaozu Temple, a mosque, an ancestral hall, and several historic houses. On Jiefang Street, 2 ornate dragon columns stand before a mansion. The town also retains old handicraft workshops, bamboo weaving, straw sandals, traditional funeral supplies, herbal medicine clinics, and old barber shops. Elderly residents pass the time reading yellowed books or drinking tea and playing cards, lending the place a peaceful, timeless air. About 8 kilometers away lies Zhongqin, an ancient village worth visiting together with Daxu in April and May. You can pick strawberries from local farmers, ask them for prices. Local delicacies include salted eggs once enjoyed by former U.S. President Clinton during his Guilin tour, chili sauce, and osmanthus bean jelly. Because Daxu has not been fully commercialized, a guide is recommended to help you understand the stories behind the old houses,
Is this temple?
rather than just seeing them as small village buildings.
It is looking like a temple.
The very rich. They are selling the same like the clothes.
Clothes house store, But inside looking like a temple.
Not temple. Old building.
This old one. How many years did you say?
200 years ago.
Huh.
The lots of.
Hello everybody. Where are you from? Yeah.
Netherlands.
Oh, that's why you are tall.
That's right.
Yeah. Holland people are tall.
Guangxi cloth store was built in the early years of the Republic of China. It was the shop and residence of Ga Guangkong. One of the 4 big merchants, it was the largest residence in the ancient town in those years. The company is Guangchang Jun. The owner, Gao Guangchang, was wealthy. His house was used both as a shop and residence. The main business was silk, satin, and other fabrics. The house is made of brick and wood, and thereof is covered with blue tiles. There are 3 opening rooms and 4 big rooms. The 4th one on the left has 4 floors. The first floor is used for raising horses and dyed cloth, and the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th floors are used for cool cloth. There are courtyards in front and behind. There is a patio between the entrance. There is a pool inside. There is a rockery in the pool, which can be used for decorative embellishment and can be used for water storage and fire prevention.
Yeah, you are from Netherlands, right? That's why you are tall. Belgium also. Oh, the same geography. Okay, you are Belgium from. Everybody small, you know, in China. Now I see everybody tall today.
I'm also from Belgium, but I'm small also.
No, not like here. It look like a brain, huh?
No, this is the Guilin, is the stone.
I understand, but it's looking like a brain. Did you understand?
No.
You want to repair?
Yes. And build it. So
Yeah. Nice couples. So after 1 week you are moving, right?
you're born in Russia, no?
No, I'm Turkish.
Turkish.
Yeah. By the way, this is my friend from Belgium. We met here. I'm from Turkey.
Okay.
Turkey, yeah. After Russia, I try to live here. I don't know if I can.
Why not?
Just too hard to connect with
You're
people.
doing businessman, no?
No, this is my business. Yeah.
That's your business.
Yeah. I'm a YouTuber.
Content. Yes.
Yeah.
Хорошо. Yeah.
Это хорошо, все будет хорошо.
Очень приятно.
Очень приятно. О, вы хорошо знаете по-русски, а?
Хорош.
And also yes, хорош. It's a lovely language. I was in Guangzhou, Guangdong.
Yeah, Guangdong.
Yeah, I moved here almost 5 days ago.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. Niye bunlar cıbıldak? Nice. Nice. It's fantastic. Let's go. Hello.
Don't buy the things here. It's very expensive. I'm local.
I know. Just I'm recording. Chinese woman. I met with her here. Yeah, she's my guide.
Okay.
Come to join us. It's free. Wow. Ah. This is also same building like this, clothes.
Yes, yes.
Ah, is it possible to go inside, right?
I am not sure.
Let me look.
No, not allowed.
Ah, okay. Ah, only watch, don't touch.
Yeah, only watch, don't touch. Before, I don't know. I'm never go inside.
Ah, Belgian people, you know how they are crowded here.
Oh, that's why you speak so much English. Is it good English?
Yes, I learn English by myself.
Oh, okay.
Ah,
I thought she was real Chinese. I think
she's Chinese.
Chinese.
Yeah, but
I'm
you
here, I'm
speak
local
very
people.
good.
I'm local people
Huh?
here.
I think
I found her on the internet. I'm searching, you know my eyes.
I thought the lady is speaking good English. I was talking with her and I said, oh, she's speaking English.
Yeah. It is very hard to find here somebody speak English. Too hard. Thanks to God, she came to me.
Yeah, and it's very important that you find a woman who's speaking
I speak English. Yeah.
Otherwise, how can
Yeah.
you order there?
Yeah. Thanks to her, she's helping me today.
Yeah.
And discover around.
Okay.
Do you have guide here and you are just
No,
yourself?
No, we have a guy.
Where is he? Why he never speak?
Yeah, he's speaking. The man, yeah.
Ah, with flag?
Normally he is. Our guy.
He must be Chinese, I think.
He's Chinese, yeah.
Ah,
No, he speak English. No, the
Ah,
guy speak
okay.
English. But we speak English.
yeah, all European people speak English. Fantastic. Already I am here 5 months, I get crazy. Nobody speak English.
And what's your nationality then?
I am Turkish.
Oh, you are Turkish.
Yeah. But Chinese people are very calm. I like that. Not very rude.
Such a nice country, yeah.
Yeah. Very calm people. Nice.
I told your wife, she said, what's your opinion about China?
Uh-huh.
So clean, so nice.
Yeah.
The food is so good.
Yeah. No, there are very different kind of food. But you can find for you and other people, everybody have different choice. Tasty. I don't have problem for food. Before I come to China, everybody say you cannot find a normal food, but I find everything here, what I want. And people are very calm, polite. Hello, guide. You are guide?
Yes.
Why you are very silent? I am more loud than speaking you. I am like guide here. Hello, Belgium, Holland.
No snails, nothing, right? So it's just made of slate. It was made in Guangxi, Guangxi Emperor at that time. You know, that means this bridge has already been existed for more than 150 years. So, but right now it's still here, right? So, and about the bridge, how can we build bridge in the past? So usually, you know, like this kind of bridge is already considered as a luxurious bridge. So the money comes from the donation of these business people. So usually, people from one province, if they come here, they always have a business center for themselves, right? Or have an office for themselves. So these people, when they go to a place, they usually always wanted to make a contribution to the local area. So that's why they always have donations. So this bridge was the donation from the business people of Guangdong, Guangxi, and so on. And the local people also collected some money to build this. You know, the whole street is altogether about 3 kilometers long. You know, that means the whole street. So from all the way down there and then go all the way down that way. And so first, because we will come in right in the middle of this street. Okay, so right now, later you can have some free time to continue to walk that direction. But before we go, I'd like to also introduce you something about, you know, a moment ago we were just talking about the red couplets. And the other thing is, you know, you will find that in China, every family, we have a threshold. When you go into their house, right, they have a threshold. Threshold is such important thing for each family, for every family. It's so important. Why is it so important? Because it shows your social status in this country, right? So when you are in the Forbidden City, you will find the threshold is like this high, right? So it's so high. And so because for the emperors, they will use 9 Chinese inches of height of the threshold, right? So that's for emperors. For the prince and princesses, they can use only 7.
Namussuzlar sizi.
往里面走，看今天这2小箱店免费领取的。走，坐一下，阿姐，你们。
Çay. 뉴한 거. 그래요. 아, 무엇을 시지? 자자. Yeah. Oh. Nice.
We always go there to make barbecue.
Really? Wow. Very beautiful place. Oh, the mountains are fantastic.
That mountains, the other side, it's a circle. Very beautiful there. The big ship can go there.
From here?
From here, come to Wanshou.
Oh. Nice.
好喝，椰薯拿饭来一起来。